Yo, welcome to the video, guys. So take a look at this channel right here, getting 1.21 million views a month. This channel right here getting 3 million views a month. This one getting 1 million views a month, and this channel getting 5 million views a month, all making a full-time income using the business model that is known as search-based YouTube automation. Now, search-based YouTube automation is a little bit different compared to the regular YouTube automation that you may be familiar with. So first of all, when it comes to doing search-based YouTube automation, you need to pick a niche. Okay, because without a niche, you don't have basically a channel that you can upload consistent content on in a daily basis. So there's a couple of niches that you can get into. Okay, we got things like apps that you can talk about on your channel, quick and short how-to tutorials that talk about how to solve various different problems on different sorts of apps. Then you get product reviews. You can do any sort of product review that you found on Amazon that you found, and then you can make a video about that product, or it could be a software that you do comparison reviews with and things like that. Then you get software, so all these different softwares that you can use for product management and things like that, you can make videos on, and these are the ones that are actually going to be paying you the most. And if you don't know how YouTube works, they pay you based off the views that you generate. So apps is not really going to pay you that much. You're going to get roughly around $2 for every 1,000 views. Products will be around $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. Software will be anywhere from $15 to $40 per 1,000 views. Then you can do things like gaming. Okay, gaming is pretty good, but the RPM is very low, meaning that you're going to get paid anywhere from $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. But the nice thing about gaming is that you can get millions and millions of views, like 5-6 million views per month. And then you get making money online. You can do all these search-based YouTube videos that talk about making money online. And by the way, if you don't know what search-based YouTube automation is, this is the bare bones of what it is. You see this search bar right there. People go to that search bar, they type how to, and then you see all these different keywords: how to draw, how to tie a tie, how to make pancakes, how to draw Goku. Okay, and then you could type best. Okay, best is also one. Best ever food review. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Best, for an example, air fryer. Could be anything. Okay, best air fryer 2026. And what you do is you rank these videos in the YouTube search results to actually get views. And then you get one of my favorite niches that you can do, which is e-commerce. Okay, and e-commerce is really great because they're going to be paying you $20 to $45 per 1,000 views, and you can do affiliate marketing, meaning that you promote other people's products within your videos and you get paid for those particular products. So you may be asking yourself, how do you get started with this? So it all comes down to creating videos and you're uploading those onto YouTube. So there's 3 different ways that you can do this. Okay, you can do it yourself, you can outsource it, or you can do a mix of both. Now, when you do it yourself, that is going to be free. You won't have to be paying for any sort of team members if you do the free method, but it is time consuming. You're going to have to spend 1 to 5 hours per day creating these search-based YouTube automation videos, and that if you think about that, that is not really scalable. Okay, and then you get the outsourcing method, which is personally my favorite method, but that needs a budget. Okay, anywhere from $100 to $500 per month. $200 to $500 per month, but that frees up your time so that you can focus on the topic research, which I'll get into next. And this is the most scalable, because if you want to start one channel, you have one team. If you want to start 2 more channels, you have 3 channels. Then you just need 3 teams that you pay to create videos, and then you've built basically like a YouTube automation search-based empire. Okay, and then you can do like a mix of both, but this still requires a budget because, for an example, if you do some videos, your freelancers do some videos, you still need to be paying them for the actual videos. So this still takes time on your part to be able to do, and it's not really scalable, because if you leave then some of the videos aren't going to get created. And then, like I said, that's not really scalable. So then the next stage in this whole entire formula of search-based YouTube automation is finding topics. Okay, now if you want to get into topic research in detail, what I recommend that you do is join my school community. Okay, we have 146 members in here right now. You can get a 7 days free trial for the school community, and then all you need to do is go to the classroom, go to the search mastery course, and then I cover everything about topic research in these 3 videos right here. And these aren't short videos. You can see this one is 18 minutes. Okay, this one is 13 minutes, and the one with AI is 10 minutes. Okay, so roughly an hour and a half worth of content right there to help you with the topic research. And basically it comes down to the search bar method, using this exact search bar that you see to come up with all these different keywords that people search for. Okay, in my opinion, this is the best method because you're going to be finding hidden gems that not a lot of channels are covering, and that's what I recommend that you do. Focus on the search bar method because that's going to get you the best results. Sure, it does take the most amount of time, but that time will be well spent and you won't be wasting. You're going to be getting some really good results if you do the search bar method. Then you do the competitor method. Okay, this is second best. Okay, for an example, if you go to a channel like this and you go to their videos, and then you go to their popular videos, and then you see, okay, this one got 818k views 7 months ago. Okay, that's a popular video. Maybe I can do the same video and grab some of those views. So that's what I mean by the competitor method. That's the second best. And then the third best will be using AI. Okay, things like ChatGPT to be able to come up with various different keywords. It's not the best because ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they don't really know about YouTube automation, and they're just going to give you like generic keywords. But it's all up to you to decide if it's all up to you to decide if you're going to put that video into production. So very importantly, with any of these methods, you never want to find a video topic and then create and upload that video without qualifying the keyword first. Okay, and that's also what I cover in my search makers community. Grab a free trial at the first link in the video description to check that out. Okay, you can cancel anytime and it's very affordable, only $7 per month. So you may be asking, what sort of growth am I going to expect when it comes to search-based automation, search-based YouTube automation? Because with regular YouTube automation, you want to get viral. Okay, you want to get 500,000 or 1 million views on your video. But with search-based, you upload a lot of videos, they get a little amounts of views and they all add up to lots of views. So in the beginning stages, you're going to, let's just say you have 500 videos. Okay, at 500 videos, you wouldn't be monetized yet. And then you should be getting about 50,000 to 100,000 views per month. Okay, and that'll be roughly after about 3 months. Okay, so you won't be earning any money in this stage in the first 3 months. Okay, and then when you get to like 1,500 videos, that's in the process of doing that, you will get monetized. Okay, and then you should get like 1,000 to 350,000 views per month, and that's like 6 to 8 months. So the type of revenue that you can expect with 100 to 350,000 is anywhere from $300 to like $1,500 per month, and that's 6 to 8 months of time after your first upload. And then when you start getting to like 3,000 plus videos, you'll still be monetized, okay, if you do everything correctly. And then you should be getting like 600k to 1 million views a month if you basically did this correctly. If you did the search bar method, the competitor method, and used AI sparingly, okay, you should be seeing those sorts of views, and that's 600k to 1 million views per month, and that'll be 12 plus months. So that's what you can expect within a year of doing search-based automation, and the income that you can generate with this is like $2,000 to $3,000 per month after about a 12-month period. So if you want to learn all of this, click the first link in the video description of my YouTube video or pinned comment. It'll look like this. Okay, you simply click on start free trial. You can activate your 7 days free trial of the community, and you'll learn everything that you need to learn about search-based YouTube automation in here. You'll get the full course, you'll get the weekly live calls, direct DM support with me, and weekly content added into the community every single week. So click the first link in the video description or pinned comment, and I hope to see you on the inside.